Hey, I'm Joe and I want to share with you a healthy and delicious dessert that you'll definitely get it right. And if you have people coming over, you'll just impress them. Now that you're curious what this dessert is about, well, it's a fruit platter. And for this you need white grapes, red grapes, apples, kiwis, bananas, oranges, pineapple, raspberry, blueberry, melon, pear, plum, strawberries, mango, and peaches. Or whatever fruit you like or you have in the house. You just put them on this amazing platter, a spinning one, and you'll impress even yourself, not only your guests. Let's get started. I'll start with the apples, kiwi, bananas, oranges, pineapple, raspberry, blueberries, melon, pear, plums, strawberries, peaches, mango, and grapes. And there you have it, a delicious fruit platter that you and your guests are gonna love. Enjoy it. Subscribe to Joe's Baby Friendly Recipes channel. And whenever you want some recipes that are very easy and you can make them really fast, well, come to my channel and you'll have them. Keep in touch and take care. Bye!